Handling payments for your affiliates. To find the payment section for your affiliates, go to Site and then on the left hand side scroll down to Affiliate Program. Inside here we have a Payments tab. Click the Payments tab. Within this section you can find all of the payments or the commissions that have been made through your affiliates. For instance, this is today and there is no sales, no commissions and no pending commissions. But you can also filter using our little filter link at the side here. I'm going to go down to all time. You will see that we have an affiliate in here and they have made 2 sales. Their total commission is on here £57.51, and it shows any pending commissions as well. You can simply pay by clicking the paid button. You'll notice that once you have paid, you will have an action in here that says paid. It is important to remember that Zenler does not handle the payment on your behalf. You need to pay them yourself.